A very sad morning, Sunday morning in Kisii town within the CBD, the popular Marikiti market where traders spend in fish mongering, cereals, clothing and vegetables. At the hour of the night, around 1 in the night, arsonists attacked this market and set the kiosk and stalls owned by small-scale traders on fire. It is really something which is not coming in as a surprise, because all the traders that are standing behind me, all the traders that are within Kisii town, every person in Kisii, within the Kisii vicinity, is aware that there is a case that has been in court concerning this particular plot. The case was decided by the Kisii ELC court a couple of days ago in favor of a particular party. Now, in the night, the fire started in this particular place. Efforts of firefighting, efforts of people trying to salvage their properties, their wear, their goods, were futile for the fact that the inferno was enormous. The capacity of fighting this kind of fire was slightly low. Now, traders have lost a lot. The losses here cannot be quantified, but if we're going to quantify them, are running into hundreds of millions of shillings. What the traders are asking, if there was a case concerning this particular property, weren't they not justified? Were they not having a right to be given a proper notice to vacate this property? Traders are asking that what is the preparedness of firefighting and other issues of emergency. Traders are asking that who's going to compensate them, or rather return them to the state they were in their business and in their trade. What do we look forward to? It is that the Kisii County government, the central government, to come in and intervene and assist these traders to restore them to their original state of doing their trade in this particular property. The final word. This land, since time immemorial, for those who have grown up in this city of Kisii, know that this is private, this is public land. And any effort by any individual that wants to come and take possession of this property will be repulsed or will be denied by the masses of this town of Kisii town. This is public land and there is nobody who should claim it. Whether that it was allocated, was the allocation done legally? The traders who are here are rightfully in the right place because they are citizens of Kenya and they are Kisiis, they are citizens of this county and they have a right to trade and work in this property. Thank you.